This is case file 021, a technical restoration of the front loop double crochet stitch matrix. Warning: this transmission utilizes the Commonwealth Protocol. Calibration parameters have been adjusted. A front loop double crochet in this sector equates to a front loop single crochet iteration in the US mainframe. Proceed with caution. Observe the physical material. We begin by looping the raw acrylic filament around the primary digit, extracting the thread, and establishing the slipknot foundation. The structural parameters support any sequence length. For this clinical demonstration, we will construct 11 chain sequences. "11 chain sequences successfully established. Now, locate the second chain sequence from the active hook mechanism. We will execute standard double crochet stitches across the entire foundation line, resulting in 10 completed stitches. Rotate the physical work 180 degrees and execute a single chain sequence to establish vertical elevation. Observe the stitch architecture. A distinct V-shaped structure is visible on the upper ridge of the row. Standard procedure dictates passing the hook under both strands of the V. However, to execute the front loop double crochet, we adjust the trajectory. We insert the hook mechanism exclusively through the front loop, popping up directly through the center aperture of the V, leaving the back loop untouched. Observe. Insert the hook, pop up through the center, yarn over, and draw the active thread through. We now have 2 active loops remaining on the shaft. Yarn over once more, and draw through both loops. Let us repeat this mechanical operation. Insert into the front loop only, emerging through the middle of the V, yarn over, and draw through. Yarn over, and draw through both loops on the hook. Maintain this precise mechanical loop. Observe, pop up through the center, yarn over, and pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Continue this uniform sequence to the terminus of the row. With each repetition, the front loop tension creates a distinct raised ridge pattern along the reverse face of the specimen. This physical ridge provides unique structural elasticity. This completes the documentation for the front loop double crochet protocol. The technical matrix is complete and validated for structural stability. Analog crafts for a digital world.